In the Ultimate Workshop Machine, I had 34 people actually attend, which was a lot more than I anticipated. I was hoping for 10. I ended up having to split the workshop into two separate workshops because I couldn't fit 34 people in my office. I had 19 people who bought in some way. That would be about $22,000 from that workshop. Really didn't think that many people were going to listen to me talk. I probably never would have put on a workshop if I wasn't involved with the Paul Gough organization and using the Ultimate Workshop Machine. Before I signed up with the Paul Gough organization and the Ultimate Workshop Machine, I had always wanted to do workshops and do a lot of community service, but I never felt that I really knew how to. The organization always felt a little daunting. I never had time. Something else always came up. So it was always a pipe dream. The scary, daunting logistics was taken away, and I could concentrate on the clinical education, which is the easy part for me. Standing up in front of people and talking about low back pain is really easy, but the organization of getting 20 or 30 people in the room was what was scary. It turned out great. We had a lot of good interaction. I never would have done it without the workshop machine. My motivation for putting on a workshop right now in my personal situation is I'm in the process of changing my business model. And so really my purpose of the workshop is to really promote my reputation in the community, as well as really have people see us as the expert. So as I change my model, that reputation is really cemented in the clinic, and I'm also seen as a community member offering these free educational programs into my community. I would say to someone unsure is if you want to have someone help you become the expert in the community and have people see you that way, and you've never done it, and the whole logistical piece of it is what's holding you back, this is the way to go. It's a great way to increase your reputation within the community. I got a lot of great feedback, and people were very thankful for that. Before I joined the Paul Gough organization, I was just doing kind of normal throw spaghetti at the wall marketing, not doing workshops, anything along that line. So I think what makes this different is it's very organized in an automated way. I thought automation was great, but I thought it was too far advanced for me. But to have a whole program that's actually designed specifically for the workshop just makes it really easy. There's no reason not to do it because it makes it really easy.